Few startup companies can match the success that BHFO has had in just over a decade. What started as a family business in the basement of John and Stacy Sefton's home near Cedar Rapids, Iowa, has grown into a $30 million a year business. The B and H in the name stands for their daughters, Brittany and Hannah, while the F and O are Factory Outlet. The company distributes liquidation and overstock items, and it is the top-selling fashion retailer on eBay. But now it is in the process of expanding its markets worldwide and growing its men's and children's lines and home goods. Recently, the company moved into this beautiful 240,000 square foot distribution center in Cedar Rapids. The facility consolidated 2 manual distribution centers and provides automation that allows them to reach customers worldwide with a high degree of speed and accuracy.
We were outgrowing our space. There were a lot of different marketplaces that we wanted to expand in, as well as expand our technology for our fulfillment system. And we were just very limited in our other facility. And so one of the big advantages of this facility is we were able to finally invest into an automation system like the Perfect Pick system.
The Perfect Pick system from OPEX Corporation is a large storage and order processing technology designed for fast and accurate distribution. The system utilizes small robots called iBots to move totes of products to and from over 5,000 storage positions arrayed along 4 80-foot-long aisles. The iBots also deliver the totes to 4 goods-to-person processing stations for order filling, with 1 station at the end of each aisle. The design allows for up to 200 iBot exchanges an hour per station. The stations themselves are mirrored, which means that a conveyor line does not separate all the stations as in most similar systems. This allows the flexibility for 1 worker to cover 2 stations if needed. What made the Perfect Pick system so perfect for BHFO is that the system was up and running within just 4 months, much faster than other systems the company checked out. The footprint and the ability to process orders fast and accurately were also important considerations.
One of the key components of this system is it utilizes the height of our warehouse. It allows us to store more goods in less of a footprint in our warehouse. Our accuracy rates have gone up over 99%. On a given day, we will probably pick around 4,000 items out of the system.
Received products are placed into plastic containers, which are then conveyed to the 4 picking stations of the Perfect Pick system. Workers scan the items and a tote is delivered automatically to the station. The totes have from 2 to 8 cells to hold various sizes of products. A light illuminates into a cell, telling the worker where that scanned product should go. A computer screen also displays information on the product, including a photo, and also verifies the cell where the product should be deposited. The worker puts the items into the cell and hits a button to confirm the placement. An iBot then whisks the tote to its assigned storage location.
With our product mix, we don't deal a lot with deep SKU items, so we will have maybe only 1 or 2 items of a SKU, and they can be located within anywhere in that system, and when the order comes through, the robots will know where to go to get that item with a great deal of accuracy.
To get those orders filled, the iBots bring items to the processing stations. 5 iBots patrol each aisle, so there are 20 altogether in the 4 aisles of the system. Upon arrival at the station, the required product is displayed onto the adjacent screen. A light is also projected into the cell of the product tote, showing where the item is located. The worker picks the item and scans it to confirm the selection. Nearby, up to 4 order totes are staged to receive the products. Put-to-light technology is used to place the items into the proper totes. The system is easy for employees to learn and very efficient at processing orders.
This is a lot faster. Training somebody on this system probably takes me 10 to 15 minutes, whereas before it was a lot more time consuming as we had to explain the whole warehouse system in general. Whereas here, they use the computer a lot, and the computer and the iBots do a lot of the work for them. All in general, I really like it. It's a lot faster, a lot quicker, a lot more efficient.
Completed totes move on to packing stations, where the items are scanned to confirm that they are the correct items. Information on the screen and a photo of each item helps with that process. Then the items are packed and made ready for shipment. Perfect Pick has given BHFO the speed it needs to process e-commerce orders quickly. And the system can also grow to accommodate greater inventories.
Now that we are operating at capacity with the system, we're able to ship out over 95% of our domestic orders within 1 day of payment. So as we grow onto these marketplaces, we'll probably end up having more inventory. To meet that demand, this system will expand. We can either add length to the aisle themselves, additional robots, additional picking stations, or just add more aisles.